that you're here, Brian, and we need some assistance in finding a particular picture for us to raise more funds for the people in Ireland. There's lots of issues that have come up, but we need 1 or 2 pictures.
Yeah, and we really need you to assist us to identify which is the best picture we can use so that we can get more funding, more funds from the people in Qatar.
The first picture, it's where the doctors are going from one patient to another without washing their hands. And the second picture is a student being beaten up by the police. And we have a picture here that shows an elderly woman being beaten up by the youth, elderly abused. And there's one here, very interesting one. It's the police going to the crime scene, doing patrols with a toy car or a tricycle. Oh my God.
What can I say? To convince this committee not to use images. Every time I see these images, I'm angry and ashamed of the way they're treating Ireland. When people in Catan see these photos back home, what do they think of us? They think Ireland's unsafe. Students won't come to visit or study. People won't go home for fear of being attacked. And young children born here of Irish parents will never go back to where the heritage lies. What can I do?
This is the time for us to support the government and get these things done.
Okay, thank you very much. Can I just say,
I think we're getting away from the point here. The issue here is fracking, not whether the community is going to be developed with the sports complex. The method of getting the gas and oil out of the ground is going to be through this fracking, and we need to discuss fracking. And it's very harmful for the area.
Deputy, please.
It's very harmful for the area, and it's going to ruin the water, it's going to ruin the area. The whole place is going to be covered in concrete. 7 acres of concrete. Every mile is 7 acres.
Just stop. Right, where would you like to start?
Just where she was saying about the pollution.
And we'll come back to you then. Okay.
There is no issue of pollution. This has been going on in developed countries of the world, in the United States, for the, excuse me, it has been going on.
This has been just 1 minute.
Okay,
just stop talking to Julie, okay?
Okay.
You've been talking all along. You're just blathering on. We know what you're going to do to our country. It's going for the First Independent. It's only the gas company that's doing the investigation. It's not
research.
No.
Please. It's all it's doing. When they come in, counting over everything. The whole place is going to be ruined. My stall is going to be gone. And you say bring people back to you know, Chair. All you want to think about is your own company and money.
This is about my community. I was born in this community. My father is from this community. My grandparents are all from this community. We are the real son of this community. And I am so passionate. I am so passionate about the development of my community, which is the reason that I have been given this mandate by my people to represent them here in the door. And that is what I'm doing.
You're just a scapegoat. They're just using you because you're one from the community. That the people will back you. They don't give a damn about you or your community. All they want to do is go in, pollute the whole place, and that's it.
Through the chair. Actually, Julie, last night Alex and I spoke about this, right?
Yes.
And I brought up about the organic, the organic side of things, and he said it won't affect any of the organic companies that are here.
Definitely. Look, can I say this?
Have you seen any researches into it? Did you look exactly?
Oh yes.
Research?
Oh yes.
Did you look at
hold on. Can I just say this? Can I just say this?
Can I ask one question?
Oh, please, by all means.
Did you look and see the research of this?
I
Did
haven't
you
seen
and what
much
happened?
that I
Definitely
haven't-
yes.
I haven't.
Can I say this? Can I say this to you, Julia?
You're just
Do you know this? That
You're
we
just
have.
believing every word that comes out of his mouth.
Do you-
and
do you-
you're not
do you-
even thinking about the society.
Okay, we'll start.